you guys, I'm so excited to hop on and highlight this two-person Fanttik lawn chair. This thing is amazing. This is seriously such an incredible invention, and these guys just did a really good job with it. So first of all, I wanted to show you, it comes with this carrying bag. I just took it out of the carrying bag so that you guys can see what it looks like when it's standing up. But the carrying bag is plenty large for it. As you can see, it easily fits inside of here. It's not like a big squish, but I just wanted to give you guys a look at what the carrying bag looks like as well as what the chair looks like folded up. And here is the carrying strap for it. So really functional. They did an amazing job with this. I'm going to put the carrying bags aside so I can show you guys exactly how we put this together and take it apart so that you guys can see seriously how useful this is. One of my big things, if it's hard to put together or take apart, I'm probably not going to use it that often because I don't want to have to think about it, and I don't want it to be something that's super difficult when I get somewhere. So I want to show you how easy this is to do. So right here you guys can see we've got this yellow strap around the side. It goes all the way around the chair, and it just has a nice little clip right here. When we're ready to undo the chair, all you're going to do is undo that clip, and then the chair is going to start to unfold. You can see as it's unfolding, this is plenty large for two people, which is awesome. You could even fit one adult and two little kiddos. It's just super functional, super versatile. Now the way you're gonna click this in is right here. We've got a little fastener right here, and we've got this little metal clip right here. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna push that down until it clicks, just like that. And then you're gonna do that on this side as well. Click, that's clicked in, and now that's literally all you have to do. Now I want to show you, this is one person sitting in it. You can see how much space we have for another adult on this other side, or like I said, two little kiddos, however your family works out. This can seat more than one person, which is so nice. I want to just highlight some of the other things that they really thought about with this chair. We've got cup holders on both sides, which is awesome, and we also have these nice little pouches on both sides so you could fit phones, things that you don't want just loose and flying around. You could fit easily in this pocket. I'm also going to turn it around because there's also a ton of storage on the back. So you could fit water bottles, you could fit tons of things in this open pocket, and then there is also a zipper pocket behind each chair. So there is a ton of storage on this thing. It's actually pretty deceiving. When I actually opened it up and looked at it, I was amazed at how much you could fit on here as far as people and storage. So if you guys are on the hunt for a two-seater outdoor chair, I cannot recommend this Fanttik outdoor brand more. This is seriously amazing quality. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to collapse it, just so that you guys have proof this is doable and it is not difficult. So when you go to collapse it, all you're going to do is you're going to push in this yellow button. It's going to click that metal piece up, and then you're just going to pull up a little bit so you can see the metal piece right there. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Push this yellow button, pull up, and then as easy as that, this folds up just how we had it previously. And then we've got our yellow strap right here. That's just going to come right here around the outside. What I love is this strap is adjustable. So if you want to start with it a little bit bigger to get it strapped down, then you can tighten it up, which is a pro hack right there. So we're going to come right here, tighten this up, get it nice and tight, and voila, we are ready to roll. And then it can just go right back in its home in this bag right here. So if you guys are on the hunt, like I said, I cannot recommend this enough. They have done an incredible job with this. And just like that, you guys, you are packed up and you are out of here with your carrying strap on your shoulder. And this just Velcros right at the top, and it goes around your shoulder just like this. So you guys hop on, grab yourself one of these. Amazing, super great quality and very functional and easy to use.